We are here live from Justice Partners Law Group main offices, where we have a guest, the attorney Mrs. Acosta. She will be helping us to give us a brief information about personal injury cases in the state of Washington. Disclaimer, this video is provided for general information purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. Thank you so much, Mrs. Acosta, for being here with us.
Thank you for the opportunity to be here.
I appreciate your time, and I'm going to start asking the question, what do you consider a personal case injury?
A personal injury case may arise when another person or business acts with negligence and causes you physical injuries, medical expense, loss of wage. And because of that, it's very important to consult with an attorney that may guide you through the process and give you a personalized orientation. And in that case, you will know if you qualify for that relief.
Mrs. Acosta, when does an injury become a legal case?
Well, not every injury automatically results in a legal claim. But when someone had a duty to act with a reasonable care and failed to do so, and that caused you a harm, you have to contact an attorney to evaluate the case and the facts to determine that if you are or not eligible for a claim.
So, Mrs. Acosta, if my accident was minor, is it still worth calling an attorney?
Yes. Many of the injuries do not appear immediately after an accident. Most of them appear or develop later, or hours later, or even days later. So it's very important that you can contact an attorney to evaluate your case and the extent of that injuries.
So, Mrs. Acosta, I have another question. What rights does an injured person have after an accident?
It depends on the case. An injured person may be entitled to recover medical expense, lost income, future medical treatment, and compensation for pain and suffering. But every case is unique. You need to evaluate the cases case by case. So it's very important that you contact your attorney to get an individualized orientation.
So, is the insurance company really trying to help me, Mrs. Acosta?
Insurance companies investigate claims, but they also have a responsibility to protect their company's financial interests. Before accepting any offer or signing any documents, it's important to understand your rights and the value of your claim.
So once again, this is very important for you to know. This is only information. This is not a legal advice. So right after an accident, what evidence should I keep after an injury?
Well, you have to keep a photograph of the accident scene, police report if available, witness information, medical records, prescription, proof of lost wages, and all communication with the insurance company. This information and evidence will be critical in supporting your claim.
So it's very important not to jump into conclusions about any evidence we have. It's very important to keep any kind of evidence because we never know if it's very suitable for our case. What happens if the insurance company makes me an offer before I hire an attorney?
You should be cautious before accepting any settlement offer. The full extent of your injuries may not yet be known. Once you sign a settlement agreement or release, you may waive your right to seek additional compensation related to the accident.
Let's talk about workers' compensation in the state of Washington, D.C. What is workers' compensation and who can apply to these kind of cases?
Workers' compensation is a system that provides benefits to employees who suffer work-related injuries or occupational illness. Depending on the case, benefits may include medical replacement and disability benefits.
What should I do if I am injured at work or if I have suffered an accident at my workplace?
Seek medical attention. If it's necessary, report the injury to your employer as soon as possible. Be sure to document how the injury occurred and keep all medical record documented. It's very important to comply with the deadline. You have 30 days to notify your employer about the accident or the incident.
It's very important to keep a file with any kind of relevant pictures, photos, or even people that were at your workplace. So, Mrs. Acosta, should I report the accident right after it happens?
Yes, reporting the injury promptly helps protect your rights and support your claim. There are legal deadlines that may affect your ability to receive benefits. If the injury is not reported on time, that may affect your case.
So, what if my employer denies that the injury didn't happen or claims it is not true?
A denial does not necessarily end your case. Medical records, witness statements, accident reports, and other evidence may help establish what the injury occurred during the course of your employment.
When do I need an attorney for my workers' compensation case, or in what case do I need any kind of legal action?
As soon as possible, I recommend you to get an attorney assistant because you need to comply with some deadline. But if your claim is denied, your medical treatment is delayed, your benefits are disputed, or your injury is serious, consulting an attorney can help you understand your rights and benefits.
Don't forget to get treated right after your accident. What happens if I cannot return to work, or if I'm being judged or misjudged by any capacity I have to keep working in my workplace?
Depending on your medical condition and the facts of your case, you may qualify for temporary permanent disability benefits. Each case should be evaluated individually, case by case, but you may also qualify for a wage replacement.
Well, thank you so much, Mrs. Acosta,
Thank you.
for being with us here today. We appreciate your valuable information. If you're seeking legal advice, here at Justice Partners Law Group in Washington, D.C., are here to help you. If you have any kind of doubts or any kind of questions, please feel free to reach us at the number on the screen, which is 678-884-4781.